Attorney General Jeff Jackson in Hillsborough today getting a look at repairs following Chantal. The visit comes as federal funding that could help is no longer an option.
CBS 17 investigative reporter Mary Smith is live with us tonight from Hillsborough's water treatment plant. And Mary, some of this funding was critical to the town's recovery.
That's right. He says that the flooding we saw here a few weeks ago is a perfect example of why this grant money from FEMA is crucial.
We're here because we are suing FEMA for the $200 million that they owe North Carolina. They pledged those funds to us. Those funds were authorized by us. Those funds were not FEMA's to cancel.
Attorney General Jeff Jackson visited Hillsborough's wastewater treatment plant Thursday, weeks after the town's water system was affected by flooding from Tropical Storm Chantal. The town planned to use some grant money from FEMA to relocate the pump station out of a floodplain, but FEMA canceled that grant money, leaving the town short about $6 million, which would have gone to that project and another.
Would not have happened if these pumps had been able to keep pumping.
Attorney General Jackson toured the area of the river pumping station, which flooded a few weeks ago. This led to 75% of the town's sewage getting into the Eno River.
River pumping station is approximately 50 years old, and the canceled grant would have enabled us to begin construction of a new station outside the 500-year floodplain in the months ahead. We are scrambling to identify alternative funding sources to stay on track with these two critical projects.
While the town says it plans to apply to the state's hazard mitigation grant program to possibly receive funding, Attorney General Jackson gave an update on the lawsuit against FEMA.
We're asking the court to treat this as an emergency. We're asking for what's called a preliminary injunction. We're going to be getting a hearing, I believe, within a matter of weeks, not months, for this. We're going to win. We're going to get this money for North Carolina because it's rightfully owed to North Carolina.
And we also reached out to FEMA for a statement about these cuts and the lawsuit. We are waiting for a response. We will keep you updated. We're live in Hillsborough. Mary Smith, CBS 17 News.
All right, Mary, thanks for the update.